Hi guys, we're at Doddo Road level crossing in Lincolnshire with Shane and Andrew. And it's time for a tug.
Take the dirty barrier.
Right, time for a tug.
Once it stops clicking in the beginning.
Probably for the 6X.
Then I'll get the code. Once Bluetooth's got down, I'll get the code.
Hurry up, Bootum.
I'm going to chuck my phone in there. Ew. Come on, Bluetooth. We're barely a minute apart.
There she goes.
Is she?
I just saw her go down.
Yeah, now let's go wait for the signal.
Sig.
I was thinking you're going to be a dickhead. There we are. Right, just wait for this thing like 1407 272 672 kilo from Kingsbury.
6K72 from Kingsbury to Humber.
Kilo, not Alpha.
I said
Kilo Romeo.
I said 6K72. Okay, fine. 6K72.
6 kilo. 32. She always gets like 8 minutes early between Icombe and Sent anyways. She'll say between Swinderby and Sent. That's calling one time. So between the end of Swinderby and between Sent, she gets like 8 to 10 minutes early. That's the point at Newark, 9 late. But she's caught up with the Sent, isn't she?
What's the speediest tug we know?
God knows, but the limit down here is only 70. According to ABC Railways, it's only 10 miles an hour through Icombe. 10? Why does stuff race for at 65 then, if it's only 10?
It literally
Void.
and on over there, it's like the freight literally slows down to like 20. I think I hear a tug.
Well, I hear a summit. I heard a beeping for one.
I don't hear the tracks yet.
You gonna? Are they gonna sing you a song? No, they're not. Hiya, Tuggy.
Yeah.
Hiya, Tuggy.
If you're new to the channel, a tug is basically a class 60.
Not actually. You're on 60. You stayed on 60 for ages. Here's a Tuggy.
Here's a 60.
A Tuggy. A Tuggy.
To Humber, so it'll be the traditional blue to green tankers.
Or just white to white.
No, EWS tankers are usually
White
Lindsay.
to white.
EWS tankers are Lindsay only. I should know. Tug 79.
Tug 79.
And that's just for one single tug.
Okay. Bangy!
Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.